Hi, welcome to True Electrical Design. Today we're going to go through putting up this lampshade onto a standard batten holder. Always remember to isolate your circuit, either making sure you've switched off. So first of all, we'll take you through it, making sure that works, so you can validate that it's on or off, and then turn it off. Then go to your switchboard, find the lighting circuit and switch that off. We'll show you that in a second. Rightio, now we'll go through. First of all, you might need a set of gloves and your lampshade you've bought. So today we've bought this from Beacon Lighting and it's a Lucy brand. It simply goes over the batten holder. Just get yourself a pair of gloves. We get these from like a workwear, telework places like that, or RSEA Safety, and you can pick them up for about $1 a pair. Okay, so you can get different colours. We're going for the black style. Now if that's a glass-like load, be very careful that especially if it's old, that it doesn't break off. If it breaks off and just leave that metal part at the bottom, you will need to call your electrician to try and get that out of the batten holder, just so you don't hurt yourself. So you've got the base and the thread. You put it over the thread, you get the collar, and you put the collar over the assembly and thread it on, screw it in. Until it's quite firm. With these lampshades, because they are so dark, especially in a kitchen environment, it's going to be very difficult for the light to show through. Just slide that in. There's a little rib around the bottom. You just got to push it in over the rib until it pops in, and then settle it back down. Sometimes by tapping a little bit, it helps it settle to the bottom, just so it sits on top of that rib. Turn that on for you. There you have it.